kitchen. When there is any function at home or any place, the first thing that comes to our mind is cake. Yes, cake is something which we all love. It could be elders or kids. There are different varieties of cakes available these days and the recipes are countless. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare buttery and soft and delicious dark chocolate cake. Let's see how to prepare, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare dark chocolate cake, here I have taken 200 grams of dark chocolate. It's available in few stores. Unsalted butter 100 grams. All-purpose flour or maida 150 grams. 5 eggs. 150 grams of sugar powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Quarter teaspoon of salt. 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. These are measurement spoons. It's very important to prepare a cake. First step is to sieve the dry ingredients. So with the help of a sieve, I'm going to sieve the dry ingredients. So here I'm taking the all-purpose flour. As I've already told you, measurement is very important to prepare a cake. To this, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and also I'm adding salt and baking powder. Just with the help of a spatula or a hand whisk, you can just sieve it. Just whisk it so that all the dry ingredients are well combined. And here I have taken butter and dark chocolate. You need to melt it, so at least for 1 minute, either in oven or you can do double boiling also. And I have separated egg yolk and egg white. You need to beat the egg white till foamy, at least for 3 to 4 minutes on high speed till the texture turns to foamy. You can see the liquid has turned to foamy texture, and now beat the egg yolk. To this I'm adding sugar powder and vanilla essence. And beat on high speed for at least 3 minutes till the batter turns smooth and creamy. To this, add the melted dark chocolate and butter. And beat for 1 second on low speed. Now add half the portion of egg white mixture and also the dry ingredients. And beat on very low speed for 1 second. You can mix it with whisk or even the spatula. Now add the remaining egg white mixture and the dry ingredients. and on very low speed beat for 1 second. Make sure you don't beat for longer time to avoid cake turning thick. Now, with the help of a spatula, do the cut and fold method. Here I have taken 9-inch pan and I have to grease it. So I have taken the butter, spread the butter with the help of a brush. You can use even a butter paper or parchment paper. Put little all-purpose flour and dust the pan. So this is how you have to dust it. The dusting should be proper so that the cake comes out smoothly. To this pan, pour the cake mixture. Meanwhile, preheat the OTG for 10 minutes in 180 degree. You can take any mode of baking. Here I have taken OTG and bake the cake for around 40 to 45 minutes in 180 degree. It's done now. With the help of a toothpick or skewer stick, you can check. If it comes out clean, it's done. Chocolatey creamy cake is ready. Enjoy.